In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Yoast SEO sitemap within your WordPress dashboard. This straightforward process is essential for ensuring that your website's sitemap reflects only the content you want search engines to index, which can help improve your overall SEO strategy. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress admin area. Once you're there, look for the Yoast SEO section, which is typically found in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Settings. Depending on the version of Yoast SEO you're using, you might see content types immediately under Settings, or you might need to click on Search Appearance first, which will then lead you to Content Types. Either route will get you to where you need to go. Once you're in the Content Types section, you'll notice a list of all the different types of content on your site, such as posts, pages, and any custom post types you might have. Each type will have its own settings and can be managed individually. Now, what you're going to do is decide which of these content types you want to include in your sitemap, and by extension, which types you don't want to include. You'll see a toggle next to each content type labeled Show Type in Search Results. This is where you can make those decisions. By default, Yoast SEO includes all your content in the sitemap. However, if there are certain types of content that you don't want showing up in search results, or even in your sitemap, you can simply switch this toggle to Off. When you turn the toggle to Off, Yoast will automatically update the sitemap. This means the content type will no longer be included in the sitemap that search engines read when they crawl your website. Remember, excluding certain types can be beneficial. For instance, you might choose not to include certain custom post types or pages that aren't relevant for public visibility. As a quick tip, regularly revisiting your sitemap settings is helpful, especially as your website evolves and new content types are added. Once you've made your selections, there's no need to manually edit any files or delve into advanced settings. Yoast handles all those complex processes automatically, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted which content types appear in your Yoast SEO sitemap. This level of control is a powerful tool in your SEO toolkit, helping ensure that your website is well optimized and that search engines only index the content that matters most to you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing